This is our 5th year doing this, but we decided we could take on anything you can give us, and we're being stretched a little bit right now. Our component today is install about 550 feet of chain link fence, install 72 4-foot bollards to keep cars out, get those painted, install a 14-foot by 45-foot pergola, and then there's about 900 square foot of pavers going in, and a whole bunch of cleanup too. This is a facility where kids in the community will be able to come day after day and learn how to ride bikes, learn how to build bikes, be active in ways they otherwise couldn't. It's great for Heath Outdoor to have a day where all of us are together. We work in different crews in different parts of the city, in different offices throughout the year. This is the one day where we say, let's be at one place, doing one thing all together. We're always wanting on Juneteenth to say, where is there a need that otherwise isn't being met? How can we help meet that need?